One more time, how does it go? Ask. Maybe. We'll find out.
Here now in Cebu guitar.
And here we are.
There's a pink. Oh, many.
Wow, many.
I told you. You can find here.
Good call. Huh?
I think it's electric guitar.
Actually, the sound isn't so bad.
No, it's not electric guitar too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Much more better.
So you can do electric as well. Cerrado?
So was that like the best thing?
Avocado, huh?
Aaron hates rocks.
.com.
.com.
We need taxi.
Okay.
And the bands doesn't look like they're playing.
Vincent.
Okay. Alam mo na? We are here now at Carrefour, Cebu City.
Nice.
Welcome.
Thank you. What is that? Just rice?
Ano yan? Ilang
Ah, I see. Oh, sugar cane.
In Carrefour City, you have a lot of choices. And it's not expensive. Eat all you can.
Oh, yeah.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Mayo hapon.
Mayong hapon. Mayong Bisaya, sir. Oy.
Wow. Kinilaw?
Oh yes, kinilaw na tanigi, sir.
And these are what is that?
Kinilaw, tanigi. Hello, shout out sa Israel and barbecue. Tao na mo guys, kay lamig ka nag-implant na guys.
You know what that is, babe?
Magmahay pa siya.
That. Saang.
Filipino saang.
Saang. Ah, okay. Saang. Gotcha. Masarap?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh wow. I saw that in Indonesia. Wow.
Oh, sa Tubangan tayo.
Hi, sir.
Hmm? How much is a plate like that? 150? 150 pesos?
Nice recipe.
Holy smoke. $3 for that? Wow.
So gravy.
Maserat?
Yeah. It's nice.
150 pesos for all of that.
One crabs.
And a crab. Wow.
Hey, sir. Oh, one piece.
Babe, you should have seen it. You get this plate. You have to go look. You have to look. 150 pesos. And you get this. You get clams, shrimp, crab. It's insane. In the US or Western countries, what I saw,
Expensive.
I was expecting 1.5, like 1,500. And she said 150, and I said, you mean 1,500? She said, no, 150 pesos. I'm like, what?
It's like $3.
$3. 270. Yeah, crazy. Mayo apple.
Hello. May asumi.
Yeah, that's what I mean. That one. Yeah. Nothing to get hot and bothered about.
Walang sa kabante.
At bang napalawan ko siya yan?
I think it's church.
Huh?
Run!
So now we're headed to another guitar store.
Wow!
Wow. Yeah. Wow, lots of bicycles, huh? Lots of selection here. Heading to another guitar store. The last place the guitars were a little too cheap, 1,500 pesos, which means they probably won't stay in tune. Yeah, bus. Bus. Motorcycle. That's not a toy, baby. That's just to look at. Wow. They have serious bike shops here. Lots of bikes, yeah. Wow, look at that. These guys are hardcore, huh? They've got a van full of parts. Wow. Okay. I know, many, yeah. Horses and carriages. Yeah, there are many. You want to ride the, well, you don't ride the horse, baby. Yeah, you could spend several days down here. So much to see. So many shops.
Smells like this.
Oh my God, finally.
We made it. Okay, yeah, this is a step up.
Absolutely.
Great job.
Great job.